fuck it, I'll just stay down her and do head. Cause that's enough money to buy her a few pairs of new ears. Cause the baby daddy don't really care. She's so precious with the peer pressure. Couldn't afford a car, so she named her daughter Alexa. She had hair so long that it looked like weave. And she cut it all off, now she look like Eve. And she be dealing with issues that you can't believe. Single black female addicted to retail as well.
Oh, this is so pretty. They got some cute stuff. They got mattresses. They already got outside furniture. But this right here is so pretty. How much are these? They don't have a price. Like, this is pretty. 72 inches. No price though. This one, the full length, is only $180. That's not bad for that mirror. And this one is, they got the short ones. They got the dresser top one. Cute. They got their plants and all their decor. These are cute. These are $500. I like these. Oh, I really like these. Are better than those. What? Guys, I'm here at the bakery section. Of course, I done got me some muffins and some croissants, but I am looking at this right here. It looks so good. I flipping love it. These croissants, oh my God. I want to do my haul. Welcome. It is Thursday, 2:40. I've been home for maybe 40 minutes. I just made it back from Sam's Club, and I wanted to show you guys what I got. It's about to be, well, everybody knows the country is getting ready for this big old storm, so I'm not the only one. So I got 3 things of bottled water. I just have to be in splash with the water. I got some kitty litter for the baby. Then I got my tissue and paper towels. I got some more fruit. I got some Summer Dream raspberries, some Family Tree. Ooh, these are good, bro. Look at these. These look plump, don't they? Oh my God. And then I got their strawberries. 2 packs of these. I got 2 bottles of these, but I gave my sister one. And I wanted to try this Homestyle Ranch. I also got some a 14-cup guacamole, and I got. Why do I keep getting these? Why do I keep getting the wrong ones, y'all? Tell me why. I'm not reading them, and I got cinnamon sugar. That's not reading. I didn't read. It's my fault. I got some honey wheat butternut bread, 2 loaves. I got this from Aldi's, as well as the roll oil, and I got these Curtin's House. They are little cherries on the candle, and I got this for me something special. This came from Sam's Club, Doritos, and these are the on the border Mexican style tortilla chips, barbecue, Lay's, and the spicy sweet chili for the grill. I also got Mega Meat thin crust. Where did I get this from? Aldi's. And I got this one from Aldi's too. Sorry, I'm just mixing and matching. Look, we're going with it today. I got some boneless chicken bites from Sam's Club. And I got Ore-Ida crispy tater tots. I love this crunchy seasoned tater tots. I got these. They are the heart-shaped cut-out cookies. These be good. I got those. Then I got 2 muffins. Chocolate chip. Is it chocolate chip? Blueberry, chocolate, and banana. The croissants. And I got some cheese, mild cheddar. And I got 2 more of these. I'm about to make a pot of chicken soup for my baby. She's not feeling well, so I'm going to make her some chicken soup tonight. That's going to be our dinner. some chicken soup. And yeah, I'm gonna clean everything up, put everything up, and yeah. Let me get my thing so I'll clean my fruit. And I'll be back in 1 second. Alright guys, so these are the strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, thin crust pizza, 2 bags, Supreme Meat Lovers, 2 bags, chicken nuggets, 4, and tater tots, 5. What else? I got my 2 chickens in there, the muffins, some cookies, and that's it.